Hi, welcome back to Recipes Tested with RecipesTestober. I'm Brianna Robinson and this is my daughter Remington. And today we're going to be making silly apple faces. I got this from Pinterest and the link will be down in the description below.
Bye.
But if you guys want to see how these apples are for her to make, just keep watching and we'll get testing, huh? Okay?
Apple.
Apples. Do you want green? Say green.
B.
There you go. Good. Good job. Can you put these marshmallows right here? Remy, no! On the apple. Oh, okay. Like this, honey. Can you do that? Okay. No! And now we get some chocolate chips. And on, oh, Remy. There you see? Can you put a chocolate chip on his marshmallow? Good job. You're gonna put this on the peanut butter.
Uh-oh.
Can you do that to yours? Good job. Do you want more? Is it good? You ready? So here's our apples. This was just a fun, quick, easy, healthy, and fun thing to do with the kids. As you can tell, she had a blast. Do you want to eat it? No? You want mine?
No.
No, is he too silly? But thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you guys have a fantastic Halloween. And thank you so much for all the love and all the support for Recipes Testober. I hope that you've enjoyed it just as much as I have. And don't forget to subscribe for more Recipes Tested. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Are you eating my marshmallows?